We will have no more. I think this is it. Whew. It has been a rough 10 days or so since we came back from Palawan. And Laura here is joining me. We have had so many power outages. And it's not like a Roxas City specific thing, although it's happening to us here in Roxas City. It's a national grid, and it's the Western Visayas. If you take a look at this chart here, you can see that if you're in Luzon, well, you got like a 22, I don't know if that's percent or megawatts or whatever, buffer. So you're not really going to have a problem with running out of electricity. But here in the Western Visayas, we're essentially at 100% capacity. Like it's 99 point whatever. And that's become a big problem. Every day we're faced with, even when we were away in Palawan, they were faced with these yellow notices warning people that they're probably going to have to disconnect the power. And also the red notices now. And that's been a pain, a real pain, because we've been like 12 hours and then it'll come back on and then it'll go right off an hour later and then it'll be gone for 2, 3, 4 hours. And the locals can't really update us. They put the cat down. There we go. Sorry, Laura wanted to bring over the cat so you can all see. One of our dogs, no problem. The other one wants to kill her. So we're having a bit of a quandary. Anyway, so I've been running the generator, stuff like that, but you know, just getting no sleep. It's been absolutely terrible trying to sleep. I don't know what the solution is on this because apparently they have something like 8 plants have been down, but they've been down for so many years and there's really no plans to rebuild them, I don't think. At least that's what I hear. And now what? Like, we need more power generation. I just want you to think about it something for a second. Think of Iloilo, Bacolod. I think Cebu is also in Western Visayas. But here, even Roxas City, but Boracay, all those kind of places. What have you noticed, if you've been watching a lot of videos, is they're all booming. They're growing. Every week there's some new resort, new condominium buildings, houses, something's always going up, adding to the grid. And yet there's no new power generation. There is some, I should say. I believe Hui has a very large one, but these kind of projects are going to take years. They're looking for somebody to joint venture on a massive dam here that will generate a lot of electricity. Again, that's what, 10 years? I don't even know what the length of a massive dam is. But short-term solutions, wow, I think everybody in the Western Visayas has got to adopt solar power on their houses, on their businesses, everything. It's really, they're going to be the only way. We've got to reduce the amount of electricity here. And yeah, I don't know, man, but this sucks. It really sucks because there's, you know, last year when we were living here, we had very few power outages. I was bragging about how great it was here in Roxas City and how rare it was to have a power outage. And when we did, we were often told about it days ahead, saying, hey, we got to trim the trees or whatever. We'll be shutting off the power for X period of time. And so you knew about it, you planned for it, whatever. But this kind of thing every day, starting the day at like 8 in the morning with a yellow notice and then red notice by the afternoon. Yeah, that's really sucks, man. Anyway, I guess also we have the rainy season coming. It is a La Nina year, so apparently you get less rainfall. So I don't know if it's going to be cooler like we want it to be, but we'll see. Today's a little bit better than yesterday. Yesterday was hot, so hot. But we got a lot of rain last night, a lot. The thunder was clapping all night. So anyway, guys, today is Sunday, the second Sunday of the month. So that means we have tons of expats that are all descending, not just expats, OFWs, everybody who loves expats, all descending here in Roxas City for 3 p.m. today, which is still a couple hours away. We have a lot of friends coming. This is probably going to be our busiest and best one. So yeah, we'll pick this up. Ooh, that was a really loud train. We'll pick this up when it starts because I think it'll be a lot of fun. Now, real quickly, I just wanted to talk about something that might help a lot of you, and it's completely free. I made a website to help people who are looking to move to the Philippines, but they're just not sure where the right place for them is. And so I made a whole quiz. It's 14 questions. After that, it's going to give you the results. And then from those results, it'll tell you everything about those results. And it'll help you. It'll help you narrow down where the right place is for you, save you a ton of time, and it's completely free. It's called thatparadiselife.com. Go and check it out. Check out the resources also, because where to find rentals, you're going to find all the different websites, what apps you should download if you come here, all of that. So go check it out, thatparadiselife.com. Back to the show. All right, guys, it's time. It's well, actually a few minutes before, but there's still already a lot of people here, so we're gonna go on in here to the Canadian Beaver. And they were supposed to put all the tables in one big line. We've asked them every month. They don't do it, but whatever. We got one set of them, and then, yeah. The problem is like how you gotta get everybody to meet each other if they all sit in separate tables, right? So anyway, say hello, guys. Hello.
People of the world.
Yeah, people of the world. Hello.
Hello.
How's it going, David?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Irene. Where's the kids? I thought the kids were with you.
No.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, Laura. And he's addicted to his drone now. It follows him around everywhere he goes, and he loves it. What's up, guys? How's everybody? Welcome, welcome. We got about another hour. I feel like it's going to be packed in here. Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. We got some more at the bar as well. Yeah, awesome, awesome. And another couple is sitting out here down by the beach. What's up, guys?
Michael.
How's things?
Good.
Good, excellent, excellent. And we got a beautiful day. It's turned out to be really nice. Yeah, look at that. David and Irene came in their quads too. Anyway, checking in about an hour or so when it actually gets busy. Well, as promised, it is, well, actually it's only been about half an hour, but we are getting very full, and I think we could seat about 10 more people total, and I think we're going to make it. I think we're going to make it. That is 107 chairs, so let's see. Okay, it's official. We have run out of tables. It's going real good. We had to move them all, as you can see. We took them all. And are down to, those chairs are being taken by these guys. The guy in yellow is going to take over this. We will have no more. I think this is it. Anybody else comes, I got to stand at the bar. All right, guys, we have like nothing left. Look at that. Everybody. JP. David, what's up?
What's happening?
JP, and James here. And oh, more are coming in, and I don't know where we're going to put them because, well, most of them are all taken. And even down here, we had to just put some chairs because we couldn't give people tables anymore. But at least we got some chairs out of it, eh? No tables yet. We're trying to find tables, so we're borrowing it from another restaurant. So hopefully we'll get them. Well, did you have a good time?
Always.
Yeah.
Love this place.
Yeah, and this was a good turnout. Really good turnout.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Dazzle, did you have a good time?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah. If you haven't been here for the Expat meetup, guys, you should be here. It's so much fun.
See? Take it from Dazzle. Take it from Dazzle. And I don't even know. The one time, like 3 single ladies came to hopefully find a foreigner, and every foreigner has a girlfriend or a wife. Right? There was no single foreigners here.
I'm still waiting. I got stuff I got to take care of.
Oh, then you're going to need to slide over in their DMs right now, you know? But physically, not virtually.
Yeah. Why am I talking to you?
I don't know. Get over there. Go ask them if they can buy them a drink. Come on now. Why do you think they're just sitting there? Anyway, still people here, but it's starting to rain, but we still got a good number of people, even with the rain here. It's actually pretty bright out still too. Everybody having a good time, right? Oh, no problem. No, everybody's having a good time?
Great time. Awesome.
Yeah, excellent. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock, and we got lightning and thunder and some rain. So a lot of people left just before this, but still, great turnout, guys. Every second Sunday, or the second Sunday of every month, come down to the Canadian Beaver in Roxas City. Airport's 2 kilometers over here, really close, and come and join us. It starts at 3 o'clock. Some of the people, maybe 30 or 40 people, will stay till very, very late. They'll close the place. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. We'll see you on the live stream probably by the time this comes out. And we'll talk to you again. Thank you very much.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time,